Mike, can you film another video? Well, it is time for me to film, edit and produce another one of these damn YouTube videos. Stay tuned. So I've built up a lot of hype about this video on my social media, link in descriptions. Today we're making Easter egg nests. So let's get on with it. So for the ingredients you will need some shredded wheat, mini eggs, and some milk chocolate. Sorry vegans. So the first job is to melt the chocolate. So what I have here is a really clever invention. Basically you have this bowl, then you put boiling water in here and then you slam it on top and you melt it in there when you break it into cubes. You're going to want to turn your hob onto a medium heat. Too high, it will be too fast and then it will burn. And if you have it on a super low heat, then it will be too slow. So now guys, I've taken this off the hob. I was just stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the bowl. So we've got that sorted and now it's onto the shredded wheat part. So what we're going to do now guys is we've got our shredded wheat and we're going to just get some of this out. What you want to do is get one of these packages out. You want to put your bowl on the scale, measure about 85 grams. Let's get on to the next part. Now you want to get your shredded wheat and you want to get something to bash it with. A common thing is the rolling pin, but also you probably won't see these anymore. They're quite traditional, but they're like meat hammers or something. I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to... Now we have crushed the shredded wheat. It doesn't have to be tiny fine grains. There will be the odd occasional lump. Anyway, what you want to do is just get your shredded wheat and chuck it in the bowl that you melted your chocolate in and stir and combine. You want to fold over so it doesn't just get stuck on the sides. I could probably have a compilation of me talking to myself. Oh, it's been ages. I've been looking for that cupcake tin and the cupcake cases and I just can't find them anywhere. It's so annoying. It's like they just, snuck away or something. Whoa, what? You are naughty. So this is the part where we add the shredded wheat into the cupcake cases. So just taking a small spoonful and just going into the cupcake cases so you get a sufficient amount. Because you want it to be a little bird's nest. Maybe have a tiny bit more if there's not really enough. But remember, you've got to get round all 12. So I'm just using one spoon to spoon it in and the other to scrape it off the spoon. So we have a big pack of mini eggs. Get some of these out, and if you've got a big amount, you want to have 3 on each mini Easter nest. And I'm going to keep some of the mini eggs for me. Now guys, all you have to do is to just leave them to set before you eat them, otherwise your fingers, you're just going to get chocolate everywhere. It looks like you pooped on your fingers. And they're all finished. Roll the cinematic shots.
Really crunchy.
It's like it's some... Hi there, thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you would consider making these cakes, it would be really cool, and then I could see how well you did. You can message me on Instagram. My Instagram username is there, and I hope you enjoy them if you make them, and goodbye. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share, because all of that YouTube stuff.